Welcome to Christina's Kitchen. I'm Christina McFeeters. Today we will explore one of my favorite ways to include blueberries into my diet. To make blueberry smoothie, we're going to start with 1 cup of our favorite type of milk. You can use soy milk, or you can get the non-refrigerated soy milk. You can get almond milk. You can use coconut milk. Any kind of milk that you would like to use, it's your favorite, you can put in here, and you need 1 cup. You do not have to have a large fancy Vitamix to make this recipe. I've also made it in a smaller version in a NutriBullet or an Oster blender or whatever kind of blender you want to use. Ninja works too, anything you want to use to blend it. The next thing that we're going to put in is 1 frozen banana. Bananas are so easy to freeze. You just peel them and put them in a Ziploc bag and stick them in the freezer. I like to break them up in smaller chunks so they're easier to blend. Then we need 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can also use fresh blueberries. The nice thing about using frozen is if you want more of an ice cream consistency instead of a drink, it will make it nice and thick. Next, we need some kind of sweetener. You can use apple juice concentrate, you can use raw honey, or you can use a few dates. I usually use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of some kind of sweetener. And then for a little bit of flavor, we're going to put in a little bit of vanilla. This is vanilla powder, vanilla liquid, vanilla extract, any kind of vanilla works just fine in this recipe. We're going to put in about a half a teaspoon. And then to add just a pinch of flavor, we're going to put a pinch of salt. If it doesn't blend well or you need it thinner, don't be afraid to add more liquid. Now what we have here is more like an ice cream than a smoothie. That's the way I like smoothie. Not a lot of water in it, but lots of fruit, and it's the most healthy ice cream that you'll ever eat. Now let's pour it and see what we have. See how easy and simple that was? And so much fun. It improves your memory. It's full of antioxidants, so many nutrients, tastes amazing, and totally guilt-free. Be sure and try this at home.
Hi, I'm Karen Calabrese and welcome to Karen's Kitchen. And today I have a guest in the kitchen that's going to help me make some food. This is Yosan.
Oh, hello, hello.
And Yosan, do you do a lot of cooking in the kitchen, or is this your...
Actually, I don't do really a lot of cooking. When I do my cooking, it's usually like raw.
Oh, well, when I say cooking, food prep. Do you do a lot of food prep for yourself?
Enough, yes.
Okay, good for you. So we've got a man with experience in the kitchen. We don't often see that, all right? We're lucky today. All right, so what I thought we would do today would just be a real easy, simple smoothie. I know you like smoothies. You mentioned that to me earlier. And I thought we'd use blueberries. Some call this the healthiest food on the planet. Blueberries are so good for us, and it's good for your memory, and it's good for balancing blood sugar levels, and they're also very expensive, so they must be good for you, right? So we're going to use blueberries. We're going to use nut milk that we made ourselves with almond, and we have on our channel a station where you can find out how to make the nut milk. Do you know how to make nut milk? No. It's very simple.
Interested.
So you can go to my YouTube station, and maybe when this is over I'll show you how to do it too. So we're going to use nut milk, probably about 16 ounces. We're going to use about 4 ounces of blueberries, and some frozen banana. So we got frozen blueberries, frozen banana, a little agave to taste, and ice. So have you ever used a Vitamix before?
Nope.
Okay, one of the best blenders on the planet. So let's get started. I'm going to let you make this for us, okay, since you're a man about the kitchen. So let's start out by putting our blueberries and our bananas in.
Actually, my smoothie this morning had blueberries and blackberries in it.
And what else was in it?
Kale leaves.
So why didn't you come teach me that today?
Sprouts,
Okay, very good. So let's put our nut milk in.
Oh,
Yeah, let's put it all in because it's going to be a smoothie for both of us. And we'll put in some agave to taste. We'll put in some and then we'll taste it and see if we need more.
this is for sweetness.
Yes, right? And let's put some ice in there. And really, folks, this is just about the generals. You could use any fruit here, but I love the purple. It's going to be beautiful, all right? Let's put the top on.
Let's get it.
Let's get it going. Maybe you should sing a little song for us to go along with this, right? You got a song for when you blend? Go.
Freestyle or something.
So the beauty of a raw food kitchen, or any kitchen to be honest with you, you don't have to follow exact, and I just wanted more of a purple color, all right? I want it to be a vibrant purple color. So we're gonna add more frozen blueberries, and that's not gonna really do anything, but really kind of thicken it up. Let's get all of them out there, all right?
It's a plus.
Okay, now let's see what we got. We'll put our hand up, we'll start it a little lower. Now. It's a brain food, right? I forgot to mention that. It is a brain food for us. Okay, so we've made our purple smoothie. We call it Purple Passion here at Karen's. You want to serve us some? Why don't you do that? Isn't this great? He's in the kitchen cooking for us, or uncooking for us.
Ah, look at that.
Look.
That's good stuff.
You got some kind of song for us, Yosan, to go with the Purple Passion?
I'm still thinking.
I'm kind of putting him on the spot there.
I'm still thinking.
Is that beautiful?
Purple Passion.
Makes you passionate too.
Very smoothie, brain food.
Let's put a little bit more in this one, and then we'll go sit down and have our drinks together.
Purple the better. Call it the Barney drink.
The Barney drink, I like that. Or one of my clients called it the Purple Monster. All right, here's to you. And please join us on our YouTube channel and get the basics for all of our foods here, making the nut milk, making other smoothies, and send us your questions and your thoughts and anything that you'd like for us to make for you. And thank you so much, Yosan, for joining us
Appreciate you
today.
for having me.
Okay, here's to you, sweetheart.